Good morning, guys. I'm going to read our story of the week to you, and it's called Mmmm, Rico. And the genre of our story this week is poetry. And in poetry, it usually has a lot of rhyming words, and it's very descriptive. And sometimes it can be a little confusing to understand what it's saying, but I'm going to explain as much as I can while I'm reading it. Now, first we're going to go over our vocabulary words in the story. So our first vocabulary word is indigo. And indigo is a color that looks like blue and purple all mixed together. Okay? Then wonder. Wonder is something that is really great or a big surprise. Syrup. Syrup is something sweet and sticky that you can pour. Juicy. If something's juicy, it is very wet when you eat it. And ripe. If something is ripe, it is finished growing and it is ready to eat. Okay, so let's go ahead and start reading our story. Blueberry. Fill your mouth with blue. Share a bowl heaped with summer. Chew indigo. So this was our first poem in our story of the week, and it was all about blueberry. Okay? Corn. Leaves sprout, silk snug house. Smell grits, tortillas, cornbread. Pass the butter, please. Now this one was all about corn and all the different things you can make from corn. Pecan. We crack hard, brown shells, family munching, story time, crunchy taste of fall. And in this poem, it was all about the pecan, and it was describing the pecan, that they crack hard and they have brown shells, and that they're very crunchy. The next one, prickly pear. Red dessert wonder, cactus fruit becomes syrup, and dulces surprise. Now this word dulces means a sweet food or drink. Okay, so it's kind of just going off of syrup, and we said that syrup is something sweet and sticky that you can pour. So this one was all about the prickly pear. And tomato. Round, roly-poly, squirts, seedy, juicy splatter, red bursts in your mouth. So this last poem was all about the tomato and describing it, how it's round and it can roll kind of like a roly-poly, and it squirts seedy, juicy splatter, and its red bursts in your mouth. Okay, so this story of the week was all about just a few different poems, and it was blueberry, corn, pecan, prickly pear, and tomato. So just 5 little poems inside our story of the week. Okay, so you can use this video to help you take your test on Friday over our story of the week. Alrighty?